Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your iPhone to your Cadillac XTS. We'll cover the essential steps for Bluetooth pairing, ensuring you can make calls and stream audio wirelessly. Then, we'll dive into setting up Apple CarPlay, if your XTS model supports it, to access navigation, messages, and more directly on your car's display. Finally, I'll share some quick tips to resolve any connection problems you might encounter, making your driving experience smoother. First, let's get your iPhone connected via Bluetooth. On your iPhone, open Settings and make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Next, in your Cadillac XTS, navigate to the infotainment system's phone or Bluetooth menu. Look for an option like Pair Device or Add New Device. Your XTS will then search for available devices. Select your iPhone from the list that appears on the car's screen and confirm any pairing codes on both devices to complete the connection.
Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this guide useful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips. Speaking of seamless connections, keeping your meals organized is just as important. That's why I love these leak-proof meal prep containers. They make healthy eating so much easier. You can find the link to these fantastic containers, along with other great deals, in the video description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
For more integrated experience, if your Cadillac XTS supports it, you can use Apple CarPlay. Simply connect your iPhone to the XTS's USB port using a certified Lightning cable. Once connected, your iPhone may prompt you to allow CarPlay access. Accept this. The CarPlay interface should then automatically appear on your XTS's infotainment screen. You can now use your favorite iPhone apps, like Maps, Music, and Messages, safely through your car's display and controls. Sometimes, connections can be a bit finicky. If you're having trouble, start by restarting both your iPhone and your Cadillac XTS's infotainment system. Often, a simple reboot can resolve minor glitches. If that doesn't work, try deleting the existing Bluetooth pairing from both your iPhone and your XTS, then attempt to reconnect from scratch. For CarPlay issues, ensure you are using a high-quality, undamaged USB cable, as faulty cables are a common culprit for connection problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.